What's going on, fellow Scooby Bruins? It's your boy Scooby Drew here, and I'm back again with another installation video. I'm sorry guys it took so long, and I'm sorry I made you guys wait so long for this video. I actually just got some work done at the dentist where I wasn't able to eat, talk, or do anything too much because my mouth was still sore, so I apologize for that guys, but I promise I won't make you guys wait anymore. And this video, as you can see, I got the lighting perfect this time because last video I was in such a rush that I really didn't care about the lighting. I just wanted to get the video out. I just wanted to get the parts installed. But this time I took my time and I made sure the lighting was right, the audio was right, and everything was perfect for you guys so I can deliver the best quality videos that I can for you guys. So with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into the installation. I'm sorry, I do have my granny hoodie on now because, again, in North Jersey, it is really cold and windy. And on top of that, my barber has been in Honduras for about a week. So I haven't been able to get a haircut. So you guys are just going to have to deal with the grandma hoodie until everything's all said and done. But with that being said, let's just get right into this installation video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, drop a comment, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified with everything that I do, every video that posts up, everything that goes on. Make sure you slam that notification bell. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll start off by taking off your old tail light overlay if you have one. If you don't, perfect, just move on to step 2. So right now I'm just taking off my old tail light overlay. Then you want to go ahead and clean the surface, which this is step 2, with some acetone or some rubbing alcohol. I use nail polish because that's all I had at the moment. It worked fine, but I wouldn't recommend it. A little bit of rubbing alcohol or some acetone will work just fine. Once you dry up the surface and remove all the debris, you want to go ahead and spray the tail light and actually spray the overlay with a little bit of water, just so that when you go to line it up, if you do mess up, you can actually peel it off with ease without ripping it. And it just helps by getting all the air bubbles out and filling those pockets in perfectly. After that, you want to go ahead and take a card with a microfiber towel just to push out and squeegee out those bubbles. I used my BJ's card because that was the only one I didn't care about, and it was like literally at the back of my wallet and I forgot I had it. You can use any credit card, ID, debit card, anything like that. It'll do just fine, just to push out the miscellaneous bubbles that you do have there, which is what I'm doing right now. Wipe it down, and that's it. This is what it looks like now. This is what it looked like before. For me personally, right now I'm a little bit more in love with it. It fits the car perfectly. And then you want to go on to your second tail light, which you honestly do the same thing. Rip off your old tail light, or if you don't have, just move on to step 2, which is just cleaning the surface with some acetone, a little bit of rubbing alcohol, either or. You want to get all that debris, all that oil out. And yeah, once you get all that out, make sure the surface is dry. And once you wet it down, again, spray the overlay, spray the tail light, line it up. Once you line it up, you're good to go. Use the credit card trick again. Or they actually do sell a felt squeegee. You can get it online on Amazon or anywhere like that for like $5, $6. But I didn't have it, so I just used the old card and a microfiber towel trick. Honestly, you're not gonna get all the air bubbles out in the same day unless you use a heat gun. Or you could just let the car sit overnight or let it sit in the sun for a couple hours, and then eventually the moisture will push out all those air bubbles. So if you want them out right away, you can use a heat gun, or if you don't mind waiting or you're not in a rush, you can actually just let it sit in the sun. Again, when you line up your tail light overlay, you may have some excess on the sides in between the trunk and the actual bumper, like in a little gap. You have 2 choices. You can either just fold them in and make sure the adhesive sticks, or you can just trim them out with like a little razor blade, but be careful you don't scratch anything. And yeah, then you're done. This is the final product right here. Both taillight overlays are done with the smoke. Again, if you like these videos, hope you guys enjoyed it, hope you guys liked it. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.